Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of adding your birthday in X. Whether you want to celebrate your special day or receive personalized content, adding your birthday is essential. Let's get started with this full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're in X, look for the account icon located at the top right corner of the screen. It usually appears as a small profile picture. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings menu, you'll find various options. Look for the profile option and tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Now you'll see your profile page. To edit your profile information, tap on your header picture. This will open a menu with additional options. Step 5. From the options menu, tap on Edit Profile. This will allow you to modify your profile details. Step 6. Within the Edit Profile screen, look for the Birthday section. Tap on it to access the birthday settings. Step 7. Here, you'll find different options for your birthday visibility. Tap on the viewed options and modify them until they point to your correct birthday. Step 8. Once you've selected the appropriate options, tap on the Save or Done button to save your changes. Congratulations! You have successfully added your birthday in X. Now, you can enjoy personalized experiences and connect with others who share your special day. Thank you for watching our guide on how to add your birthday in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.